morning. Yeah, good morning again. So, did you know that okras actually bloom a flower? Well, guess what? That's what I found out today. So, this actually lovely flower started blooming on my okras. So, that's one thing I didn't know, that okras do bloom lovely flowers, right? So, this is my farm. This is my okras finally coming together, right? So right now I need to go ahead and weed out my farm, weed out my little garden, because I'm actually seeing where there's a lot of weeds that are actually growing up. So I'm gonna go ahead and weed that out today. But I just wanted to show you the development. So far, there's a lot of buds growing up with my okras. There's a lot of buds. There's a bud right here. There's a bud right here. And there's also this lovely okra plant right here. See? Wow! Finally I have okra. Which other one? This one right here. Awesome sauce. So finally, and there's more actually coming up. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is weed out my garden today. And I'm actually motivated that, hey, I got okras growing. I got okras growing. So stay tuned for more videos. I know I look like crap. Hi!